In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a catalog in your Shopify store step by step. A well-organized catalog makes it easier for customers to browse your products and improves the overall shopping experience. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store. A drop-down menu will appear and from there, click on Pages. This section allows you to create custom pages for your store, including a catalog page. Next, click on Add Page. You'll now be taken to the page editor where you can start building your catalog. Begin by entering a title for your page. You can use something simple and clear like Product Catalog or Shop Collection. After that, move into the content area and add information about your products, collections or categories. You can include text, images, links or featured collections to help customers browse more easily. Now, scroll down to the Search Engine Listing Preview section and click the pencil icon to edit your SEO settings. Here, you can customize the page, title, meta description and URL handle to help your catalog appear better in search results. Once everything looks good, make sure the visibility setting is set to visible so customers can access the page. Then, click Save at the top right corner. To add your catalog page to your store menu, head back to the admin dashboard and click Navigation. Open your main menu and select Add Menu Item. Enter the same name as your catalog page, then click the link field, choose Pages and select your newly created catalog page. Finally, click Save. And that's it. Your Shopify catalog page is now live and accessible from your store navigation. Thanks for watching and happy selling.